It's more than just a flagpole. It holds old glory, displays state flags, and promotes businesses with company logo flags. Your flagpole works hard for you all day, every day. Unfortunately, outdoor flagpoles are subjected to the elements: sun, rain, wind, and more. If you need to replace your flagpole's hardware at an affordable price, there's only one name you need to know. Flagpole Warehouse is the flagpole hardware provider of choice. Since 1989, we've been a trusted name nationwide, providing affordable replacement parts sourced both locally and internationally. The hardware you choose for your flagpole matters, extending its lifespan and protecting it from harm. With Flagpole Warehouse, you can get everything you need under one convenient roof: flags, flagpoles, lighting, and hardware. Finding quality hardware for your flagpole has never been this simple or affordable. Why not place your first order today? If you're unsure of anything, our team is just a phone call away. We'll supply the parts so you can focus on what matters, keeping your flagpole in tip-top shape. Flagpole Warehouse. Keep your flag flying.